everybody, it's Shaw Blackburn here, the Loon Witch, and guess what I got? I know a lot of you who've been following me on social media know that I'm being published in a book. The book is being released November 1st, and I got my copies. So I wanted to share with you the unboxing because I've not seen the actual physical book yet, and I'm very excited to take a peek. So let's just open up the box and see what we got. I also know I have the ability to order some extra copies, so I probably will. This is my very first time. It's so exciting. This is my very first time being published in a book that I can actually put my fingers on and share with the world. So, wow. Here it is. Here it is. It is the Life Shifts book. Women's stories of surrendering to and rising above life's challenges. Featuring Nancy O'Keefe, Felicia Messina DeHady, Karen Shear, Crystal Cockerham, Cynthia Medina, Cynthia Winslow, Lee Murphy-Wolf, Amy Linder Lasser, Yvette LaFleur, Shaw Blackburn, that's me, Michelle Lemoyne, Karen McPhail, and other visionary authors. I believe that there are 22 authors in total, and I have to say, it's just amazing. It's so exciting. It's so exciting. I can't even tell you. There's some great quotes from people in here that have taken a look and pre-read the book so that they could comment on it. And where am I? La, 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 la. Let's see. I am in chapter 1, story number 3 on page 21. This is it. Let me come right up close so you can see. Ta-da! Here's the copy. It's so beautiful. I'm super, super excited to share this with everyone. And, you know, I'm sure I'll be hosting a book signing here at Wicked Peaceful in Plainville, Mass. So follow me on my website to learn more about that. And I will see you very soon. Until then, be well.